Imagine walking into a courtroom where the final verdict is not delivered by a human in robes, but an algorithm trained on millions of past cases, calm, data-driven, and seemingly impartial. The idea of AI judges is no longer science fiction. Artificial intelligence systems are already being tested to assist courts with legal research, document summarization, sentencing recommendations, and case management. Around the world, judicial systems are exploring how machine learning models can reduce backlogs and improve efficiency, with policy discussions documented by organizations such as UNESCO and the OECD, both of which have examined how AI might support justice while safeguarding human rights. Supporters argue that AI can process vast amounts of legal data faster than any human judge, detect patterns across decades of case law, and promote greater consistency in rulings. Research from the Stimson Center highlights how AI tools may assist overburdened judicial systems, especially in countries struggling with backlogs and limited judicial capacity. In theory, AI could enhance access to justice by making legal processes more efficient, affordable, and predictable. However, the promise of algorithmic justice comes with profound ethical and legal concerns. AI systems learn from historical data, and if that data reflects systemic biases, whether racial, economic, or social, those biases can be encoded and amplified by the model itself. Studies on risk assessment algorithms have shown disparities in predictive outcomes that disproportionately affect marginalized communities, raising serious concerns about fairness and equal protection under the law. Transparency presents another challenge. Many advanced AI systems operate as black boxes, meaning their internal decision-making logic is not easily explainable even to experts. In a legal system built on the right to appeal and the principle of reasoned judgment, opaque algorithmic decisions could undermine due process. Real-world examples already demonstrate the risks of over-reliance on AI. Reporting by Reuters has documented cases where lawyers faced sanctions after submitting AI-generated briefs containing fabricated case citations, so-called hallucinations produced by large language models. Coverage by AP News has similarly highlighted judicial caution regarding AI tools that generate inaccurate or unverifiable legal references. If AI systems produce errors that influence judicial outcomes, fundamental questions arise. Who bears responsibility? The judge who relied on the tool, the software developer, the institution that approved its use? Beyond technical accuracy lies an even deeper issue: public trust. Courts function not only on legal authority, but on societal legitimacy. Even if AI systems were statistically consistent, citizens may perceive machine-rendered decisions as less fair, less compassionate, or less legitimate than those made by human judges. Justice is not purely computational. It involves moral reasoning, contextual understanding, and empathy, qualities that remain distinctly human. The emerging global consensus does not advocate replacing judges with machines, but rather integrating AI as a supportive instrument under strict human oversight. Ethical frameworks emphasize transparency, accountability, auditability, and human review as non-negotiable safeguards. AI may assist in identifying precedents, flagging inconsistencies, or managing caseloads, but final authority must remain with accountable human decision-makers who can interpret nuance and weigh moral considerations. As technology advances, societies must decide not only what AI can do in the courtroom, but what it should do. The challenge is not whether artificial intelligence will enter the justice system, it already has, but whether we can design governance structures that preserve fairness, protect rights, and maintain public confidence. In the end, justice must remain grounded in human responsibility, even as we harness the analytical power of machines. Tell me in the comments section, what part of content should I do?